Hi there guys, in today's video of FlexiSTARTER, we're going to be looking at how to disable the Auto Deselect for the zoom tool. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We have a variety of different softwares we do cover, and also we upload training videos daily, so you can just keep an eye there for any new content. Otherwise, we're back in the program here. Now, we've had an overview of the zoom tool before. So today what we're going to be doing is just looking at how to disable, like I said, the Auto Deselect. And if you're not sure what that means, let me just give you a quick example. Let's say I have my selection tool selected on my main toolbar. Then if we go to the view toolbar and I select my zoom tool. Now, as we can see, our mouse cursor has changed. Now let's say I select to zoom on this magnifying glass. You'll see once I'm done zooming, it automatically switches back to my selection tool. Now, sometimes this is convenient, but a lot of times you kind of want to stay zooming if you, if you're navigating around. So then in order to disable that, there's two ways. The first way is we can go on our zoom toolbar here on the first icon, and then we double click it. After we've double clicked it, we've got its preferences here. Then you'll see it says here resume previous tool after zooming once. So if we click this off, then it will not resume to the previous tool. So now let's say we do the same. We've got a selection tool. I click the zoom tool and I zoom on the A. Now you'll see I'm still on the actual A. So now if I want to zoom out, I can always just keep controlling and zoom out. So that is why sometimes you don't want it, because I can still navigate, zoom and so forth. Now, another way we can do this is we want to go to our main menu on top. We go to Edit, and we navigate all the way to the bottom to Preferences. And under the Preferences, we've got 4 tabs here. We want to go to the last one, which is called Tools. And then under this menu on the left, we want to navigate all the way to the bottom. So we find an option or button called Zoom. Click on that, and then you'll see we've got the same option here. So now we can just click that on again. Say OK, and then it will react how it did as previous. So now if I zoom, I'll go back to my selection tool. But in my case, I like keeping this one off, and then just default that back. Otherwise, yeah, that is it on the zoom, or should I rather say disabling the Auto Deselect. Then if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, this video is available there and more like it. Like I mentioned in the intro, we do have a variety of different softwares we cover, as you can see here. And then if you prefer not to manually navigate through the list of videos to find what you're looking for, you can always just isolate your search here with a search bar. Just click there, type in what you're looking for, and then hit the little search button. And then if you still run dry and you don't get the results, you can always go here, request a training video, and then fill in the mini form, and then we will make that video for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.